Let me just then go back to the core franchise, which is Kenya, which when I looked through the numbers was the outperforming component, wasn't it? I think the numbers were plus in Kenya. You were about 500 basis points higher than the group.
Absolutely.
Do you want to just tell us where all this strength
So
came?
it's been very exciting for us
Yeah.
in Kenya. I would say three main reasons. I mean, our market share overall in terms of total asset is up 150 basis points
Yes.
in December and now. So that's quite an exciting move. And it's driven by, one, I would say, our partnerships with Safaricom. So we brought in a number of our customers, nearly now 6.5 million on our mobile platform, taking our total customers to 12 million.
Yes.
You know, this is the highest we've ever been. If you compare our 2 million customers in 2012, I mean, that's six-fold increase in our customers.
So
but all of it happened in 1 year.
You've gained more customers in a couple of years than you had for the entire...
Absolutely. Absolutely. So that has brought in into a new, nearly, today we've crossed 11 billion shillings of lending to this kind of customers. If you see the value of engaging and having transactions, building a digital platform for our bank, so that journey is growing. So we started last year. It's a 3-year journey. So we ring fence and build on that business model. It's the most exciting business for us. Perhaps we foresee that half of our business by 2020, which is the next 4 years, will actually be the digital side of the bank.
Wow.
So that's one side.
But you have understood that from a long time, Joshua. Ever since I've known you, you've embraced that whole digital banking.
Correct.
And I think what you're seeing now is the fruits of appreciating what was
Absolutely.
coming, right?
Absolutely. And we're having a lot of excitement, a lot of partners. You know, we're working with McKinsey, for instance,
Yes.
to be able to build up, you know, our digital bank, our digital institutions. Where do we want to go ahead as an organization? So that's one side of it. Number two, Kenya has been able to really expand its business across many channels. You know, we look at the asset side, you know,
Yes.
being able to build and strengthen our businesses. So now in terms of SME growth, we've seen that growing by 40% on a year-on-year basis for our business. And also we benefited Kenya for the, I would say, flight to quality. If you look
Yes.
at our kind of deposit, they're up nearly 18% compared to the same time year-on-year,
Yes.
but just for the Kenyan business. And we've seen that as a way of customers saying, we want to ring-fence our deposits. For us, it's how whether we can get our money back
Yes.
as an organization.
Yes.
And that is an exciting mark for a business which has been long enough, stability, strength, long-termism. That for us is what we see as customers are looking for.